Good morning, everyone. I'm Kapulong Angelica Marie from BS Ed Math 3B. My topic for today is fresh waters. So, ano ba ang kahalagahan ng fresh water sa ating mundo? Life on Earth depends on water, but bad water management is reducing agricultural productivity, spreading disease, and endangering ecological balance. Gaano ba kaimportante sa atin ang magkaroon ng fresh water? Sinasabi dito na nakasalalay or nakadepende ang buhay natin sa tubig. Pero ang pagkakaroon ng maayos na pagmamanage or paggamit sa ating tubig, tumutulong ito sa pag-reduce ng agricultural productivity, sa paglaganap ng sakit at pagkasira ng ecological balance. In the following areas, we need an action. Number 1 is improve the information base and promote public awareness on the water cycle and the needed for better management. Since water is a key driver of economic and social development, while it is also has a basic function in maintaining the integrity of the natural environment. However, water is only one of a number of vital natural resources, and it is imperative the water issues are not considered in isolation. Integrated water resources management approach that has how been accepted internationally as the way forward for efficient, equitable, and sustainable development and management of the world's limited water resources and for coping with conflict demands. It's all about the aquatic conservation strategies to support sustainable development by protecting biological resources in ways that will preserve habitats and ecosystem. In order for biodiversity conservation to be effective, management measures must be broad-based. Using the conservation approaches, like an aquatic bioreserve is a defined space with a water body in which fishing is banned or other restrictions are placed in an effort to protect plants, animals, and habitats, ultimately conserving biodiversity. Under fresh waters, we have the oceans and coastal areas. So, what is the difference between oceans and coastal areas? Oceans cover more than two-thirds of the Earth's surface. They are sources of food and oil and serve as the highways for the world's shipping. Oceans, one of the large bodies of water into which the larger body that covers the Earth is divided, while coastal areas or seas are the most productive ecosystem on Earth, supporting 80% of the world's fisheries and yielding mangrove species and other important products. Coastal oceans are commonly defined as the areas from the shoreline to the outer edge of the continental margin. Coastals hold more marine biodiversity, which provides food for many animals, including humans. The open ocean stretches from the edge of the coast between the continent for hundreds of miles. Yung tinatawag na open ocean ay tinatawag siyang pelagic zone. Seas are found in areas whether the ocean and land meet. Seas are typically partially enclosed by land. To protect oceans and coastal areas, we needed an action in the following areas. to make people more aware of the importance of the oceans and seas, to apply integrated approaches to coastal and ocean management, to involve local communities in the management of marine resources, to conserve coastal and oceanic ecological processes, and to strengthen regional and global cooperation. To apply different approaches to manage the oceans and coastal areas, like the Integrated Coastal Zone Management, is a dynamic, multidisciplinary, and interactive process to promote sustainable management of coastal zones. It covers the full cycle of information collection, planning, decision-making, management, and monitoring our oceans and coastal areas. In this chapter, we have the conclusion. Caring for the earth is exerting all efforts and working towards a world that lives sustainably within the natural limits of our planets. Caring for the earth is addressed to the whole world community. Um, it simply says that we need to protect our planet Earth para mabuhay tayo. At sinasabi din dito na dapat maayos ang pag-manage at paggamit ng ating mga natural resources dahil tayo din ang makikinabang sa mga natural resources natin dahil ito yung pangunahing pinagkukuhanan natin ng pagkain. So this chapter, to promote the strategies to care our planet Earth for sustainable living in our planet Earth, and to educate and familiarize the students and everyone the importance and value of the strategies and action in caring for the Earth. So, hanggang dito lang po ang aking report. Thank you for listening.